Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Momita and I'll be your Korean trainer for today. So in the last class we learned about Shigan and time. Today we are going to learn how to talk in the past tense. The topic for today is 어제, yesterday. Starting off with 어휘. Our first 어휘 for today is 듣다. 듣다 is to listen. So verbs and adjectives that end with this letter, that is of course after eliminating the tha, that end with this letter are irregular and often change to this letter. So if I'm adding ayo, oyo, heyo to this word, this will change to 들어요, 들어요. But in this case, with the formal ending, this will not change. 듣습니다. It will remain as 듣습니다. Another ending that we learned, 으세요. In that case also, this will change to 들으세요. Please listen. Okay. The next word for today is 음악, is music. So, 음악을 들어요. I listen to music. 음악을 듣습니다. I listen to music in the formal tone. Next word is 영화. 영화 is a movie. 영화 is movie, but 영화관 is a movie theater. Next word we have drama. Drama is quite popular in Korea. Yes, drama is our drama or web series or TV series, however you'd want to call it. Next one we have 친구. 친구 is a friend. Then we move on to 쉬다. 쉬다, we 쉬다, to take rest. If I add ayo, oyo, heyo to this, this becomes 쉬어요. 쉬어요, I rest. Next one we have 주말. 주말 is a weekend. That's it for 어휘. We are going to move on to 문법 for today, the grammar. The first 문법 is verb adjective plus at or het. So at or het are used to talk in the past tense, right? The rules remain the same, just like ayo, oyo, heyo, right? At is used when the word is ending with a and o. Ot is used when the word is ending with u, e and other consonants. And hada changes to het. Let's see a few examples to make it a little more clear. In the informal sense, right? Ghada, I add at. Hoda also I'll add at. So in these cases I'm going to add oyo at the ending for informal ending, right? So 가다, gat, oyo, so 갔어요. Similarly, 보다 plus a, what plus oyo, 봤어요. And the same would be for all informal words, right? I'll add oyo. I'll change it according to at or het rule and I'll add oyo at the end. Okay. Similarly, 먹다, I'll add ot. So, 먹었어요. I ate. 김밥을 먹었어요. I ate a 김밥. 주다, 줬, 우, 워. So, 줬. So, 줬어요. 줬어요. 마시다 becomes 셨. 이 becomes 여. So, 마셨어요. I drank. 커피를 마셨어요. I drank coffee. 하다 changes to het and then 써요. 했어요. I did it. 공부했어요. I studied. Okay, that was informal. Let's take a look at the formal endings. So, at, ot and het. All of these are ending with a consonant. After consonants, we add sumnida. So that is exactly what we are going to do. We are going to add the at or het rule and then add sumnida at the end. So, 가다 becomes 갔습니다. I went. 학교에 갔습니다. I went to school. 보다 would become 봤습니다. So, 드라마를 봤습니다. I saw the drama. 먹었습니다. I ate. 줬습니다. Yes? 주다, 줬습니다. 마셨습니다. 마시다, 마셨습니다. 하다, 했습니다. I did. 했습니다. And 공부하다, 공부했습니다. I studied. Okay. So please notice the pronunciation. There are two S sounds. So when they are coming together, there would be a stress at the bottom and then followed by an S sound. 갔습니다, 갔습니다. This technically, according to Bhachim rule, should sound like this. But similar sounds, so we are going to do 갔습니다. So I'm not going to change into 갔습니다. Not 갔습니다, 갔습니다. 갔습니다, 먹었습니다, 주었습니다, 마셨습니다, 했습니다, and 공부했습니다. Let's see a few example sentences. 주말에 뭐 했어요? What did you do on the weekend? 주말 is a weekend. 주말에는 친구를 만났어요. I met my friend in the weekend. 우리는, 우리 is we or us. So 우리는 같이, this is pronounced as 같이. 같이 is together. 우리는 같이 한국 드라마를 봤어요. We watched a 한국 drama together. Next one. 어제 뭐 했습니까? What did you do yesterday? Formal tense. 했습니까? For questions. 도서관에서 공부했습니다. I studied at the library. Moving on to the next 문법, we have 하고. So 하고 is used between nouns and is used as and. Right? It connects nouns that have similar importance. Now when I say similar importance, I mean like let's take an example in the English sentence. I buy an apple and an orange. Yes? So I buy apple and orange. So I'm buying both of these things. They have one single verb. Yes? So similarly, if in a Korean sentence, I have the similar adjective and verb, I have the same adjective and verb for two or more nouns, I can use 하고 in between those nouns. Let's see examples. 사과 2개 하고. 사과 2개 becomes my noun 1. 2 apples. So to noun 1 I am attaching 하고. 사과 2개 하고. 빵 3개. 3 bread. This becomes my noun 2. 사과 2개 하고 방 3개를 샀어요. Right? I bought 2 apples and 3 bread. 샀어요, past tense. 사다 is to buy. Right? In the present tense I say 사요. In past tense this would be 샀어요. I bought. Also please notice that for noun 1 and noun 2 I am only using object marker once. Why? Because this whole thing becomes my object. 사과 2개 하고 빵 3개. All of these words become my object collectively. So I'll add 를 once. I buy these things are my object. Okay. Second example, 교실에. 교실 is your classroom. 교실에 학생하고. 학생 becomes my noun 1. 학생하고 선생님이 있어요. 선생님 말. Second noun. 선생님이 있어요. Again, subject marker only once. Why? Because this whole thing is my subject. What is there? 학생하고 선생님. 학생 and 선생님 are my subject. Collectively my subject. So, 교실에 학생하고 선생님이 있어요. Okay. So that's it for today. We learned how to talk in the past tense and learned the 문법 하고, and I'll see you in the next one. 안녕히 가세요.